Hey, what's up Gala coin holders, what's going on? This time the Gala coin condition is very critical now, so this video is very important for all of you because in this video I will tell you to this coin will give you a profit in upcoming days or not. This coin will wake up, the huge explosion is coming soon or the huge, my friends, dump is coming soon. So very important for all of you, my friend. But 5.25% in last 24 hours the price for fails down, so that's very important for you, my friend, to understand now. The market cap is decreasing by 4.98%, my friend. So therefore the price is also very cheap. 0.08311 USD dollar is the current price, my friend. And this time you can see fully diluted market cap 4.9% decrease, and last 24 hours you can see the volume 10.69% decrease. Oh my goodness, it's really bad. Volume, market cap, you can see 0.1235. Circulating supply 6.98 billion, and max supply you can see, my friend, 35 billion, my friend. So absolutely, my friend, that's mean to the price will be fails down after a huge pump. But don't worry, my friend, everybody knows this too. After a fail, every coin will take a very huge jump. Now you can see, my friend, this coin is completely on the loss. Definitely, my friend, you can see they will hit the resistance line and they will completely go, my friends, dumps down. So therefore please try to understand, if you want to get a profit now, personally, my friend, you will need to hold down. I hope, my friends, if you are starting holding, then that's clear, my friends, to upcoming time they will give you a profit. So please, holders, hold down and don't starting selling. I hope, my friends, Gala coin will give you a very huge profit. So my friends, my personal experience for all of you to please hold on. And what's your experience here now in the comment box? This is very important for me and for all holders. So hope you understand. Please like video and remember to don't forget to subscribe this channel for more videos.